Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys auto brightness mode guys. How can we off it in our Realme phone guys? So as you have guys your auto rotate on guys and as you want to off it. So friends, how can you off guys your auto brightness mode guys in your phone Realme phone? So first of all guys open your phone setting to off it. So guys scroll it and guys you can see guys your display and brightness. So I tap here and guys you can see guys your auto brightness. So I tap here to off. So as your brightness will off and guys your brightness will not increase and decrease automatic guys. As you can set guys your brightness and guys you can adjust guys your brightness from here and it will not change automatic. So guys I hope friends have understood guys how to off auto brightness in our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching my video guys. Bye.